Here is my double cream, my strawberries. Yeah. Here's my double cream. Here's my double cream. Here, I've got some icing sugar. I'm going to transfer it in there. I'm going to whisk this. Look at that. It's still thick now. I'm going to use my spatula. We are going to use this cream to have our delicious strawberry. It's so good with strawberry when you have cream, when you use cream together with strawberry. Is so good. Yum yum yum. These beautiful strawberries. These strawberries is going to go with the delicious cream that I made earlier. I'm just going to have a wash and take the leaves out. I'm going to serve it with the cream. Yes, our strawberries. Bit of serve it with a little bit of some cream. Nice one. Look at that. You can enjoy this. Cheers, guys. I'm going to pour this hot water and I'll put this in the oven to cook, sorry, for maybe, it depends, to soften it anyway. I'm just going to take it to the oven now. So here is my butternut squash. It's already cooked. I'm going to take the water out now and allow it to cool down for a while. Here is my butternut squash. It's already cool. I'm going to take out the membrane. Here is my squash. I'm going to scoop it into this bowl. Here is my squash. I'm going to mash it a little bit before I add the rest of the ingredients. My plate, and here is my butternut squash. I'm going to add some here. This is what I'm going to be using to mash it. This masher give it a smooth mash. We mash it nicely. Here is my squash. Look at that, so smooth. Now it's like a paste, so I'm going to add the remaining of the ingredients. I'm going to add some butter. Just going to combine the butter together. Sprinkle a little bit of pepper to give it that kick. Hello. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized. I'm going to combine this. Then finally, I'm going to add my beautiful honey. Yes, this is yummy. Yummy. Look at that, guys. It's almost ready. It's really easy and quick to make. Baby can have this as well. Very delicious. Let me serve this. Here is my squash. It's now ready. I've just served this now. You can serve this as a side dish, or you can eat it the way it is. It's very delicious and nourishing. Baby love this, and I love it as well. Don't forget to like this video and give me thumbs up, and I will really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.